Want me to throw it away? No.
I'll hang on to it.
You can put it over there.
Might need it later. There it goes. I think it's coming. There we go. Got it.
Oh, you got it all.
And the spacer goes on next.
And 12?
8 and 10.
Oh, 8.
8 and 10 millimeter sockets. Longer bolt goes on the bottom. 10 millimeter socket. Shorter bolt goes on the top. Don't forget the bracket that holds the splash guard in place. We'll go ahead and get these started so it's in position. If you see this hole here, there wasn't a bolt installed, so we're going to leave that off for now since we don't have the bolt.
Splash guard on?
Yeah.
All done?
Yep. Next we're going to install the rear axle nut. It's a 21 millimeter head, 21 millimeter socket. According to the generic service manual that I have for Chinese scooters, the torque spec is 75 foot-pounds. Been online in the forums and it ranges higher up to 100 foot-pounds. So we're going to torque it down a little bit higher than the spec in the service manual. I've got the torque wrench set to 85 foot-pounds. Okay, earlier I pointed out a hole where I thought there was a missing bolt, but actually that's not the case. The bolt I had, and it's to attach the muffler to the swing arm.